Hello my crafty friends, this is Monica from Allsewpetite. Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to install metal spring press snaps. So if this is something you would like to learn, then keep on watching. To install the metal spring press snaps, you will need a hand press or a set of hand tools and a hammer. When using a hand press, you will need a correct set of dies. This depends on the size and shape of your press snaps. You will also need an awl or a hole puncher to make a small hole in your fabric. Like a magnetic snap, press snaps have female and male parts that snap together. Installing press snaps is quick and easy, but it can be confusing when you want to add them to your project for the first time. Each snap set includes 4 pieces: a cap, a socket, stud and a post. So let's look closely at the individual pieces and the correct die you will need to use to set them in. The first 2 pieces make up the female part of the press snap, the last 2 are the male part. A cap is flat on top and has a post on the other side. Once installed, it is visible outside your project, as seen on this pouch. The correct die for this piece is also flat. When setting your snaps, place the flat side of the cap inside the die, just like that. The socket looks like a donut. One side is flat and the other side has a small post. That's the wrong side of the socket, which is not visible once the snap is installed. The flat side is the outer side. The correct die for the socket also has a small post in the middle. When installing your snap, remember to place the flat side of the socket down. This is what it looks like. Stud has a small knob on the right side and a flat surface with a hole in the middle on the other side. This is the visible part of the male portion of the press snap. The stud die is also flat with a hole in the middle, so you must place the side with the knob inside your stud die. The last piece is the post, which looks similar to the stud, but the post is longer. This piece sits between the external and lining fabric, so usually you don't see it once the project is completed. As you can see, the post die also come with a post in the middle, so this time the hollow side of the post goes on top, just like that. You are familiar now with each piece and the corresponding die, so let's install our press snap. I like to fuse a small piece of stabilizer to the wrong side of the fabric to strengthen the area where the snap will be installed. Then take the awl or use a hole puncher like me and punch the hole through the fabric. First, we are going to install the male part of the snap. To do that, insert the post die to the bottom of the hand press. Then you can place the post on top. Next, take the stud die and screw it to the top. When you are ready, take the stud piece and you can place it inside the die. Take your fabric and with right side facing up, insert the post through the hole. Then you can press those 2 pieces together to set them in. And this is how it looks like once pressed. You may need to finish your project before installing the female portion of the snap. When ready, make a hole through the fabric, then swap dies in your hand press. Insert the cap through the opening. If the top die does not hold the socket, then take the socket piece and place it over the cap. Make sure the flat side is visible from the top. Hold both pieces and carefully place the cap inside the lower die and slowly and carefully press on your hand press. Leave a comment underneath this video if you have any questions or suggestions for a future tutorials. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for similar content. See you next time. Stay crafty, friends!